Hey, movers and shakers, it's Jay here. Apparently, the moving industry is quickly being destroyed and companies are disappearing at an alarming rate. Everywhere you look, all you see is moving businesses going out of business. Even big marketing companies and gurus are warning us about the challenges ahead. So, why is the moving industry taking such a hit? And is there anything we can do to prevent our moving companies from becoming just another victim of the economy? But before you buy into the doom and gloom and burn it all to the ground and go live in the mountains somewhere, let's talk about what you can do about it. There are 4 areas that you need to shore up right now if you don't want your moving company from just becoming another failed statistic. But before we get into that, if you could just take a moment and pulverize the like button and subscribe to the channel, I'll show you this relaxing private beach. Okay, to start, we have to mention that there are 4 areas that you need to reinforce right now if you want to weather this horrible economic storm that we're heading into in 2024. And the first thing we have to do is hire better crew and staff. This typically means that you're going to have to raise the amount you're paying your crew. It also means that you're most likely going to have to raise your prices to keep you profitable. And by paying more, you attract the superstars. And these superstars will be far easier to train. They'll cause less damage, which will lower the number of damage claims and ultimately saves you a ton of cash. And they'll increase the value you bring to every job, justifying your price increase, which makes it easier to bolster the next area you need to work on: sales. You need to improve your sales close ratio. It doesn't matter what your ratio is right now, there's always room for improvement. You're going to need to tighten up your sales pattern and get it dialed in. It might also mean bringing in professional outside help, either hiring a company to do your sales or hiring a kick-ass sales manager and team. Without money coming in, you have no business. And that leads to the next area you need to plug up: organization. An efficient company is a profitable company. And the way you make a company efficient is with systems and processes. And the best system you can have is a 7-division org chart. A 7-division org chart will lead you and your shippers from start to finish efficiently. Also, a 7-division org chart will eliminate all your red tape and confusion of who does what and who is responsible. Without an effective 7-division org chart, it is nearly impossible to create proper systems and processes. Once you have an org chart, then you can tackle the final area, which is KPIs. KPIs, or key performance indicators, are key vital statistics that you need to know to be able to properly manage your business. If it isn't measured, then it doesn't get managed. A great many of you, new and small moving companies, sadly don't measure anything other than your bank account. And if you want to thrive and profit, let alone survive 2024, then you need to start measuring your KPIs. If you want to know what those KPIs are that you need to monitor, I have a complete list which you can find in my 7-Figure Moving Group Facebook group. You can find the link to join that group in the description below this video. So there you have it. The moving business may be crashing, but yours doesn't have to if you handle these key 4 areas.